box. So we drew these lines to insert the coins, and we drew these lines so we could take out the coins. So we need to cut both of them, this one and also this one, and you would need a grown-up's help to do this. So we finished cutting on the front side and we finished cutting on the back side. Now we're gonna decorate it. Could you give me the yellow? So first we're gonna decorate it with yellow paper. So I took this piece of paper. Now I'm going to place the box on it, and I'm going to glue over here. Now let's stick it on. So like this. So we got this piece of paper and it's shaped so the door could not be covered. See? Now we are going to glue it on. Now I'm going to stick it on. So now we are going to stick these two pieces on the upper and lower sides. So now I'm going to add this piece of paper onto door piece, and this piece is shaped like a long rectangle.
Now I'm going to draw the rabbit face. First 2 eyes. And
now I'm finished with the door. So I'm using this elastic thread to open and close. So we have to put these two together and stick them like this. So now I'm going to stick them with some glue.
Now I'm going to draw the eyebrows. Now I'm done. I'm going to stick these ears with this pink thing. We have to stick it like this. Now I'm done with the face and ears.
Oh Nithi, you forgot something. The whiskers! I'm going to help my sister draw the whiskers.
Here's the rabbit face.
So I added this button here, and then we could pull and lock it like this. Now we could open it back. Do you remember the hole we cut here? Now we are going to cut it out. So now I'm going to add the face my sister drew. Now this is the final. Now let's add some
money.
Okay, so I'm going to
2.
So I'm going first. I did mine and another of them. Now, when we open, see, the coins are in there.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.
See you guys in our next